Céad míle fáilte. 100,000 welcomes to the spirited city of Dublin, the capital of the Emerald Isle. In this video, we'll unravel the magic of Dublin and present you with 10 compelling reasons why this charming city should be on your travel radar. So, join us on a journey through Dublin's rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Historic charm of Trinity College and the Book of Kells. Our journey begins at the heart of Dublin, Trinity College. Established in 1592, this prestigious institution is not only a centre for education but also a treasure trove of history. Explore the cobbled paths, majestic courtyards, and don't miss the opportunity to marvel at the illuminated manuscript, the Book of Kells, a symbol of Ireland's ancient cultural heritage. Temple Bar, Dublin's cultural quarter. No visit to Dublin is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of Temple Bar. This cultural quarter is a hub for art, music, and lively pubs. Stroll through cobblestone streets lined with colourful buildings, visit galleries showcasing local talent, and soak in the lively atmosphere of traditional Irish pubs, where live music and friendly locals create an unforgettable ambience. Guinness Storehouse, a pint of Irish tradition. Raise a glass to Dublin's most iconic beverage at the Guinness Storehouse. Located at St James's Gate Brewery, this 7-story attraction takes you on a journey through the history of Ireland's most famous stout. Enjoy panoramic views of the city from the Gravity Bar, and savour the perfect pint while immersing yourself in the art and science of brewing. St Patricks Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Dublin's skyline is graced by the awe-inspiring St Patrick's Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece with a history dating back to the 12th century. Marvel at the intricate architecture, stroll through the beautifully maintained gardens, and appreciate the cultural significance of this landmark. It's a place where the sacred and historical seamlessly intertwine. Grafton Street, shopping and street performers. For a taste of Dublin's vibrant street life, head to Grafton Street. This bustling shopping district is adorned with lively street performers, boutique shops, and historic landmarks. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion, unique Irish crafts, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, Grafton Street offers an enchanting experience for every visitor. Literary legacy at Dublin's Writers' Museum. Dublin's contribution to literature is celebrated at the Dublin Writers' Museum. Immerse yourself in the works of renowned Irish writers such as James Joyce, W.B. Yeats, and Samuel Beckett. The museum provides a glimpse into the city's rich literary history, making it a must-visit for book lovers and those eager to explore Dublin's intellectual heritage. Phoenix Park, Europe's largest city park. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city by venturing into the tranquility of Phoenix Park. As one of Europe's largest city parks, it offers vast greenery, serene lakes, and even a herd of wild fallow deer. Rent a bike, have a picnic, or explore the Dublin Zoo within the park's expansive grounds. Phoenix Park is a haven for nature lovers. Dublin's friendly and welcoming locals. One of the most remarkable aspects of Dublin is its warm and friendly locals. The genuine hospitality of the Dubliners creates a welcoming atmosphere that instantly makes visitors feel at home. Engage in conversations at local pubs, ask for recommendations, and experience the legendary Irish friendliness that adds a unique charm to your Dublin adventure. Harpenny Bridge, a romantic icon. Dublin's Harpenny Bridge is not just a picturesque river crossing, it's a symbol of romance and history. Built in 1816, this iconic bridge has witnessed centuries of Dublin life. Take a leisurely stroll across the Liffey River, enjoy the scenic views, and capture a moment of tranquility in the heart of the bustling city. Traditional Irish music in Dublin's pubs. Dublin comes alive with the soul-stirring tunes of traditional Irish music. The city's pubs are not just watering holes, they are stages for talented musicians who bring Irish folk music to life. Join the locals for a pint, tap your feet to the rhythm, and experience the true essence of Dublin's cultural heritage in the lively ambience of its traditional pubs. And there you have it, 10 reasons why Dublin should be on your travel bucket list. From its historic landmarks to its lively cultural scenes, Dublin offers a captivating blend of tradition and modernity. So, pack your bags, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Irish culture, and let Dublin's charm and hospitality leave an indelible mark on your heart. Slainte and happy travels!